In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take donations on Squarespace. If you're a nonprofit, creator, or community organizer, adding a donation flow to your site can make supporting your work simple and secure. I'll walk you through the exact actions you need, with a few helpful pointers along the way. Start on your Squarespace home dashboard. On the left-hand navigation panel, look for Donations and click it. This opens the Donations area, where you'll set up and manage your donation experience. If you don't immediately see donations, double-check you're on the correct site in your account and that donations are available on your current plan. At the top right of the Donations area, click Create. This starts the setup for a new donate page and takes you into Squarespace's gallery of ready-made donation layouts. Now, select the donate page design you want. Each design comes with a polished structure, headline space, description, amount options, and a checkout flow that you can customize later. Pick the layout that best fits your brand's tone and the kind of story you want to tell. Don't stress about the exact wording or images right now. You can edit all of that after the page is created. Focus on choosing the overall style and arrangement you like. Once you confirm your choice, Squarespace automatically creates the page for you. It's added to your site as a new page, complete with the donation form elements tied into Squarespace's commerce system. You'll be able to find it in your Pages panel and customize content when you're ready, but the structural setup is done. Next, head back to your home dashboard and click Donations on the left again. You're returning to the Donations area so you can connect payments, which is essential for actually receiving funds. Here, click Connect Payment Processor. Follow the prompts to securely link your preferred payment provider. You'll be guided through an authorization flow to sign in and approve the connection. Use your existing account details and keep an eye on currency and region settings to ensure payouts arrive correctly. When you finish, you'll be sent back to Squarespace, and you should see a confirmation that your processor is connected. And that's all there is to it. With your donate page created and your payment processor connected, visitors can open the page, choose an amount, and complete checkout seamlessly. Before you share the link, give the page a quick review so the message aligns with your mission and the visuals feel on brand. You can adjust copy, imagery, and styling anytime in the page editor. To recap, you opened Donations, clicked Create to add a donate page, chose a design, and connected your payment processor. You're ready to start taking donations on Squarespace.